Hello, welcome to another resource pack here at Musical U. My name is Sarah Campbell and I am the resident pro for piano, and this resource pack is all about intervals. The ultimate goal here is to get you really familiar with what different intervals feel like within a scale, and then you're going to be able to apply that to your improvisations. Because of the way that the piano is constructed, it's great because it's very, very visual. However, we do have some goofiness going on where we have two white keys that come together. And so our pattern, when we go with, let's say, for instance, practicing chromatic major thirds, they're going to look very different because we're going to see like white, white, black, white, white, black, black, white, and we start to see a pattern emerge, but then that pattern shifts because now it's both white, both black, both white. So thirds and other intervals on the piano, most other intervals on the piano, don't really have a very strict pattern, but fifths do.